What's up, guys? So everybody likes a good light kit, and whether you're going to be doing off-roading and you need lights to shine down on under the wheels and around the ground so you can see rocks that you're bouncing over, or whether you just want to be able to light up the party when you pull your rig up in the parking lot, maybe you want to have a little mood lighting inside. The point is, everyone could use some good RGBs. So depending on how you like to run, you could be running strings of RGBs, dancing to the lights, or you could be running something like these guys. Now what this is a 6-piece rock light kit that is designed to go under the vehicle and be outside in the weather, in the water, in the snow, in the mud, smashing around and doing light things. What I'm going to be using it for is something entirely different. But let's see what comes in this kit and see what we think about it. All right, so inside we got a little user guide. I always like to see something, because sometimes you need information that you just can't find on the box. So we do get some information. We get a few basic instructions on how to use the app. And we get a QR code back here, which probably allows us to get the app. Yes, this will take you straight to the app. That's very cool. I like it when they tell you the app. The QR code is nice. And these are our 6 lights. Let's dig in here. Okay. Got that. And we have 6 of these. And they're all the same. Okay. And that's the only thing left in the box. So we'll keep one of these lights out. And we'll take a look at the box real quick. First of all, it says we have a flood beam pattern. Got 3 LED chips in each light. Customized RGB color light modes and functions. Powder coated die-cast aluminum housing. That's a big deal. Plug and play install and wire management. IP67 waterproof rating. We got these 4 or 6 connectors. And of course, depending on which kit you have different connectors. And we have a simple 12-volt 2-wire hookup. It's on, it's off. I like it. And this is nice. This is you can tell this thing, you could run over this with a car and it would just not care. This is a solid piece of kit right here. No buttons, no muck, no bull crap. Just your connectors, a pretty big plug. I think that's all one plug. Yes. I was going to say, does that unplug? But it does not. And then 1 power lead. Simple. Now, judging by that, there should be, I think, power wires on each one of these lights. Since we obviously don't want them all right there. And there is. Holy cow, guys. This is tough. This is hard. That's aluminum. Very nice. Very small, very streamlined. Look at that. Allen screws in the bottom. You can come in here and do things. Got your 3 LEDs in there. Pretty simple. And then there's some other mounting solutions with each one of these. I got to say that right off the bat, I'm very impressed with this kit. So you got the hardware to be able to use these, and they have different boots. Like this one has a rounded bottom. This one, these are both really squishy rubber. So this is hard here. So if you wanted to mount this on something and isolate it from vibrations, you could do that. It's got the wiring solution to be able to run the wire through there, which will allow the wire to not be exposed on the bottom. That's very, very nice. And have it come out at an angle or come out this way. This is extremely well thought out. You could also run the wire out the back if you want to. There's lots of solutions there. And this other one is the same, but it has a rounded bottom for like using on a bar or something, like a roll bar or a roll cage. So each one of these light pods comes with a sealed connection with a wire going through this casing. Very, very well protected. A very heavy gauge wire with a nice plug that has a screw-in connector so it locks on. Probably is a waterproof connection because it has a rubber seal right there. So I would say that's at least water resistant connection. And they come with two different options for mounting these things, as well as just using the standard mount this on something. There's nothing about this that says cheap. I am impressed right off the bat. The next thing I want to do is get these things on power where we can see what they actually look like and check out the app. All right, so let's find out how hard it is to hook it up. We've already got it powered on. I got it running off a battery in my little storage over there. So let's do a look. I'm not going to use the QR code. I'm going to do it this way. Lotus Lantern app. There's our app. We hit the install button. Okay, it's installed. Hit the open button. Haven't done anything. You guys are watching what's going on. Is that going to work? It says allow. Oh, there it goes. It just picked up on it and just started working. Well, that's pretty cool. Right off the bat. We got some different things. We got classic. We got different colors. Whatever that is. Some kind of thing there. We've also got music. Cool. And it stopped. When I stopped the music, it stopped on it. That's very cool. Huh. Oh wait, it does say mic. So now it's got a mic. Okay. Now let's see. Hey, you! Get out of my dreams! Hey, get into my car! Okay. Now the app is closed, so it's not receiving any instruction anymore. And it's still doing its thing. Now let's try removing power and then putting that power back on and see if the party continues in the same way. We'll disconnect our ground here. Okay, that means you just powered the vehicle down. You're doing home stuff, talking to the wife about stuff, or pretending, whatever it is you're doing. You get back in there to jam and let's see what happens. Whoa, looky there. It went right back to the last mode I had selected. That is important, guys. So once you find your favorite thing and you have this thing set on that favorite thing, you ain't ever even got to use the app again. It's just automatically going to go right back to doing the thing it was doing last. And on a positive note, if it ever did forget what it was doing, its default is white. So that's not terrible, right? You get in, turn the switch on, it's white. Well, at least it's not doing some crazy bonkers disco Libre crap that you can't stand. It's just a white light. So the default is white. Yeah, but it went right back to doing its colors. No app. It just immediately went back to colors. Look at that. I like it. Real world test. All right, guys. So the music app that comes with that app and digs down into your phone or whatever device you have the app installed on will give you good music emulation and color and light. At least pretty good. I think it's not too bad. It might work pretty good as long as you're using the player built into the app. I don't know if it can use a different player or whatever. The one that uses the microphone picks up everything and it does a generic pattern while it's hearing sound. So it's kind of crap. But the ability to control all the colors and to control the intensities, the brightness, and have it do different patterns and stuff, that's all spot on. And it remembers the last setting it had. So whatever you have it set on, when you turn it off, it's going to come right back on to doing the same exact thing, which means you only really have to set it one time and then you can let it do its thing for infinity. And just turn it on and off and on and off, and everything just does what it's supposed to do. That's cool. It's extremely durable. I mean, like a tank, these things are built. They're metal housed lights with the different mounting options, with nice big thick rubber isolators and stuff to where you can seal them up and all that kind of stuff. They're really extremely well put together. Like, you could not in any way imagine something being a higher quality to do that job. So I give them 100% endorsement on that. They're great. I had them on 20 volts inside. They handled 20 volts no problem. So your high voltage guys that are running 15 or 16 volts, you don't have to worry. They're going to work like they're supposed to on that voltage. I was running them on 12 volts outside. Very bright, great lights. Their only limitations is the amount of like music ability, stuff like that. As far as putting out nice big spreads of color, they can do that, and on a grand scale. They're also not priced terribly bad. So I'll have a link down below. If you guys would go check them out, pick up a set for yourself, I think you'll get a kick out of them. If you're looking for some really intense, really durable, really cool, bad lights that can get the job done and will continue to work under extreme pressure and vibration and all the things that us people do to everything that we own, you'll be happy with these. And if you guys like hardcore reviews where I take it and slam it and do the thing and make it work and see if it's going to do its job, I'm not just blowing sunshine up your collective butts, then subscribe to my channel, because that's what I do. I have lost several companies who have sent me crap and got crap reviews. We fell out because I told them I wasn't going to take the video down. They're going to have to accept it for what it is. If you send me something and you want me to review it, I will. I will gladly review it. I'll review it at the cost of the item that you send it to me. Whatever the item is, that's your payment. I will submit a review on that thing, and it'll be an honest review. If the thing sucks, the people are going to know it sucks. If it's awesome, they're going to know that too. And if it has some awesome and some suckage, they're also going to know that. So before you send me something, be expecting an honest review, no bullshit. So if you guys like that kind of a review, hit that subscribe button, like, share, comment, do all the things. And last but not least, if you need some hardcore car audio, head over to BigJeff. Use coupon code CAE for a big old fat discount. And peace!